Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off camera 360 audio recording on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, open up the camera app. Then in here, tap on the settings icon at the top corner. In the camera settings, scroll down to the video section and then tap on advanced video options. Next, we go down to the audio section and on the last option, tap on 360 audio recording. Tap on the toggle button if you want to switch it on or turn it off. If you like to use zoom in mic, then you need to turn off 360 audio recording. Otherwise, you can turn it on and that will automatically switch off zoom in mic. And that's it. Select your option and then tap on the back to go back to your camera, and from here you can start recording. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.